Hey everyone! If you enjoy personalizing your terminal or just want a quick and responsive experience, let's briefly cover Ghostty, Kitty, and Westerm, three solid terminal applications. First, there's Ghostty. It's the newest option created by the team behind Warp. It has a very clean interface, uses GPU acceleration, and is impressively fast. It also stays responsive even with many tabs open. Currently, it's still in early development, but if you like testing the latest tools, Ghostty is worth experimenting with. Next is Kitty. It's been available for some time and is also GPU accelerated, meaning it renders text and graphics quickly and smoothly. A useful feature is its built-in layout system. You can split panes directly within Kitty without needing tmux. It's very customizable, though the setup can feel technical if you're new to tweaking terminals. Finally, there's WezTerm. This one balances the best of both worlds. It's highly customizable, works across different operating systems, and comes with plenty of features like ligatures, tabs, and SSH multiplexing. Built in Rust, it runs efficiently as well. It's an excellent pick if you want a modern yet reliable terminal. So, in short, Ghostty is new and polished, Kitty is quick and adaptable, and WezTerm is like the versatile multi-tool of terminals. Give them a try and see which fits your workflow best.